Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular office essentials, the Post-it Super Sticky Easel Pad. This is, without a doubt, the best jumbo Post-it note on the market. Whether you're in a meeting, brainstorming session, or teaching a class, this product promises to make your presentations and projects smoother than ever. Let's start with the basics. The Post-it Super Sticky Easel Pad measures a generous 25 inches by 30 inches, offering a large, premium self-stick surface. With 30 sheets per pad and 2 pads in each pack, you'll have plenty of space for all your ideas. The best part? This easel pad sticks securely to almost any surface and holds up to twice as long as regular flip chart paper. No need for tape, tacks, or staples, just peel, stick, and you're good to go. What's more, the paper is designed to resist ink bleed through. So, no worries about markers soaking through the page and messing up what's underneath. You can confidently jot down all your thoughts, and they'll stay intact. Plus, the paper is ideal for use with Post-it Super Sticky Notes, letting you capture even more ideas without any hassle. This easel pad is perfect for a wide range of uses. It's fantastic for brainstorming, project management, agile processes, meetings, and even teaching. Whether you're working with a team or handling a classroom full of students, this product helps you stay organized and on track. One of the standout features is the built-in handle, which makes it easy to carry, while the sturdy back card ensures it fits most easel stands. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you'll have a portable solution for capturing ideas, managing projects, or even conducting virtual lessons. And don't forget about the Post-it app. With this free tool, you can capture and share your notes seamlessly, whether you're working remotely or in person. You can sync across devices and share ideas via platforms like Dropbox and Trello, perfect for staying connected wherever you are. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and ultra-sticky easel pad for your next brainstorming session or project, look no further than the Post-it Super Sticky Easel Pad. It's a game-changer for anyone who needs to keep ideas visible and organized. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one.